A truck may not be the fastest, but when it comes to sheer power, it's in a class of its own. While the sports car is sleek and nimble, the truck is built for sheer strength. The truck's massive engine may appear slow, but inside, it's a powerhouse designed to move heavy loads effortlessly. Speed isn't necessary when you have torque. Torque is what gets things moving. Inside the truck, the engine is built for efficiency, not speed. It works differently from the engine in a sports car. The car's engine is designed to rev high, pushing RPMs to the max to create power. Take a look at how the truck engine operates. It doesn't need to spin fast, it produces raw power at lower speeds. At low RPM, the truck's engine provides all the torque it needs to move heavy loads, while the car relies on speed to generate power. It's not about how fast you can spin, it's about how much force you can apply. When you look inside the engines, you'll see just how differently they're designed. Truck engines are built with large, heavy-duty components, able to withstand the stresses of carrying immense weight. The pistons in the truck engine move at a much slower pace, but each stroke delivers much more power. In comparison, the sports car engine has smaller, faster-moving pistons designed to generate speed rather than power. Truck engines work more efficiently at lower RPM, creating high torque without the strain. The larger cylinders in the truck engine mean each combustion stroke releases much more energy. In a sports car, you'll see smaller cylinders designed for higher speeds, but they can't generate the same torque as a truck engine. Even the valves in the truck engine are built for strength, designed to work under heavy loads without failure. In contrast, the sports car's valves are optimized for speed and quick bursts of power. When you compare them side by side, it's clear that the truck is designed for sustained power, not quick acceleration. At first glance, it's easy to think that speed equals power, but let's dive deeper into what really makes a truck so powerful. Next, let's look at the transmission, where the real magic happens. Truck transmissions are built to handle massive amounts of torque, shifting power smoothly from the engine to the wheels. Every gear inside the truck is designed to transfer power with minimal loss. Unlike the sports car, which relies on fast gear shifts to stay in high RPM, the truck works steadily, efficiently transferring power. The sports car's transmission, however, is optimized for speed, pushing the engine's RPM to its limit for that quick burst of power. Let's take a closer look at how the truck's suspension absorbs bumps and uneven terrain. With its multi-leaf spring system, the truck can handle the roughest roads. On the other hand, the sports car's suspension is designed for smooth, flat roads, with less concern for carrying heavy loads. When the road gets rough, the truck's suspension keeps the load in check, while the sports car struggles to keep control. The truck's braking system is built for reliability, with powerful air brakes that can handle extreme loads and stop safely. Even under heavy weight, the truck's brakes remain consistent and efficient, ensuring that it can stop safely no matter what. Sports cars, however, are designed to stop quickly, with smaller, lighter brake systems that often overheat under stress. When it comes to braking, the truck's air brake system is second to none, offering unparalleled stopping power. This difference in braking ability is just one example of how trucks are built for endurance, not speed. Fuel efficiency is another key factor in the truck's performance. Trucks don't need to be fast to consume fuel efficiently. They rely on steady, consistent performance. In contrast, sports cars burn fuel rapidly, constantly needing more energy to maintain speed. The truck's fuel system is built for long hauls, ensuring that it can go the distance without frequent refueling. This makes the truck ideal for long-distance travel, where consistency and efficiency matter more than speed. But let's get into the details of the truck's engine oil system. The truck engine uses up to 50 liters of oil, lubricating the engine and keeping everything running smoothly. Unlike the sports car, which uses less oil for faster operations, the truck's oil system is designed to ensure long-lasting performance. As the truck moves, the oil continuously flows through the engine, reducing friction and keeping temperatures in check. This high volume of oil helps the truck maintain performance over millions of kilometers. In the sports car, oil flows quickly but in much smaller quantities, struggling to keep up with high-speed demands. At high speeds, the oil in the sports car's engine is pushed to its limits, while the truck benefits from its larger oil system, staying cool and efficient. The result? The truck's engine stays healthier for longer, requiring fewer repairs and lasting far beyond the sports car's lifespan. The sports car, on the other hand, will need constant attention to stay in peak condition. Notice the stability of the truck as it maneuvers through heavy turns. Its weight keeps it grounded and in control. The sports car, with its lighter frame, struggles with grip under extreme conditions, losing traction when pushed too hard. Trucks may be slower, but they're designed to maintain control and stability even when carrying huge loads. The weight of the truck is its greatest advantage, allowing it to handle road conditions that would challenge most other vehicles. So why do trucks not need speed to be powerful? Because their design is built for endurance, strength, and efficiency. From the massive engine components to the reinforced drivetrain, every part of the truck works together to deliver raw, unyielding power. When you push the sports car, it burns through fuel and torque. But the truck? It simply powers through, steadily, without overexerting itself. This is the essence of why trucks are so reliable. Their systems are designed to work efficiently, even when pushed to their limits. And when you're hauling massive loads across thousands of kilometers, it's not about how fast you can go. It's about how long you can keep going. Inside the truck, sensors constantly monitor critical systems, ensuring the engine, transmission, and brakes are all functioning at their peak. The truck's advanced technology provides real-time feedback, allowing drivers and mechanics to catch potential problems before they happen. This proactive approach to maintenance is one of the key reasons trucks can run for millions of kilometers without major failures. The truck's fuel efficiency isn't just about reducing consumption, it's about optimizing every drop of diesel for maximum power. By using high-pressure injectors and a steady flow of fuel, the truck ensures that every journey is as efficient as possible. The sports car, meanwhile, burns through fuel faster, especially when accelerating quickly to keep up with its need for speed. Efficiency isn't about how fast you can go, it's about how long you can keep going. And that's where the truck shines. Trucks don't need to be fast because they have the one thing that really matters: the ability to keep moving steadily, day after day, for millions of kilometers. At the end of the day, it's not about speed. It's about power, endurance, and the truck's ability to handle whatever challenges the road throws at it. So next time you see a truck on the road, remember, it doesn't need to race to be powerful. It's built to handle the heaviest loads, the toughest roads, and the longest journeys. In a world that constantly pushes for speed, the truck proves that true power doesn't always come from how fast you can go, but from how much you can carry and how long you can endure. The next time you see a long-haul truck, you'll know it's not speed, but raw power that keeps it on the road. Because in the end, a truck isn't just about traveling from point A to point B. It's about getting there, no matter how long it takes. Power for a truck is not about acceleration. It's about control over massive forces. Every component is oversized on purpose, built to survive stress that would destroy lighter machines. While a car chases speed, a truck masters resistance. That's why truck engines breathe slower, burn fuel calmer, and live longer. Low RPM isn't a limitation, it's a strategy for survival. Each combustion cycle is deliberate, controlled, and brutally effective. This controlled force is what allows a truck to start moving 40 tons without drama. No screaming engine, no sudden spikes, just steady, unstoppable motion. The drivetrain doesn't rush, it endures. Heat is the enemy of longevity, and trucks are designed to keep temperatures stable. Large cooling systems quietly protect the engine hour after hour. While speed creates stress, stability creates lifespan. That's why trucks rarely operate at their limits. They're built to stay far below them. This safety margin is what allows millions of kilometers without failure. A truck doesn't fight physics, it works with it. Torque moves weight, not speed. And when weight is your mission, torque is your weapon. Every slow rotation of the crankshaft delivers controlled power to the ground. This is why trucks don't need speed to feel unstoppable. This is why trucks don't need speed to feel unstoppable. Their strength lies in patience, not aggression. In a race, speed wins, but in the real world, endurance rules. And no machine embodies endurance better than a truck. Slow, powerful, reliable. Designed not to impress, but to survive. That's the real reason trucks don't need speed to be powerful.